తాండూరు అక్షర స్కూల్కి సంబంధించి అక్కడ మేనేజ్మెంటు స్టాఫ్ వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తోటి స్టూడెంట్స్ ముగ్గురు స్టూడెంట్స్ వర్ష, సందీప్ అండ్ అనిల్ ముగ్గురు కూడా ఇక్కడ డిస్టిక్ లెవెల్, స్టేట్ లెవెల్ ఇక్కడ సక్సెస్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని సౌత్ ఇండియాలో కూడా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని నేషనల్ లెవెల్కి సెలెక్ట్ కావడం అనేది మన వికారాబాద్ జిల్లాకి అది గుడ్ అచీవ్మెంట్. మన జిల్లా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వ్యవస్థకి కూడా ఒక మంచి వాళ్ళు ఆదర్శంగా నిలిచారు. ఈరోజు నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో సెలెక్ట్ కావడమే గొప్ప విషయము. మేము కూడా ఆశీర్వదిస్తున్నాం వాళ్ళని అక్కడ కూడా సక్సెస్ కావాలని చెప్పేసి వాళ్ళ యొక్క టీచర్స్ని ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ని కూడా నేను అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
We are very much delighted to inform all the Tandur constituency people that for the first and foremost time in the Tandur town, Akshara Concept School has made a wonderful record in the Tandur and in the history of Vikarabad district. In the district level science fair, we have been participated with our project Mobile Microscope and we have been secured the first place in it, and it was nominated for the state level competition which was held in Nirmal district. And even there also we have been secured first place in the state level science fair exhibition. And finally our exhibit has been nominated for the South Indian Science Fair which was held in Kerala. And even we have been received a special appreciation from Indian Institute of Astrophysics. And finally our exhibit was nominated for the national level science fair which is going to be held in Pune, which was in Maharashtra. And this exhibition was going to start in the month of December 26th to December 31st. So for the first and the foremost time, and it is one and only one institution from the Tandur private organization where the mobile microscope, a project from our institution which has been nominated for the state level in the history of Vikarabad district. So it is not only the proud moment for our institution, and moreover it is a very proud moment for the Tandur and even for the Vikarabad district people. So they have been carrying this mobile microscope on their shoulder to the national level for the first and the foremost time. So by keeping in this view, today the SP Koti Reddy sir has been invited us, and he has been honored all the participant of national level participant and even the guide teacher Mr. Ravi Kumar sir. So really we were very much pleased by receiving the best appreciation from the SP sir, and we hope that definitely in the national level also our three students Mr. Anirudh, Mr. Sandeep, and as well as Master Anirudh, Master Sandeep and Kumari Varsha, and including with the guide teacher Mr. Ravi Kumar sir, Srikant sir, and all the Akshara family members, we are the back of them. Definitely hope that we are going to receive once again one more first prize in the national level science fair, and we wish you all the best for the entire team. All the best.
స్టేట్ లెవెల్లో ప్రథమ బహుమతి సాధించి నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో కూడా ప్రథమ బహుమతి సాధించాలని యాజమాన్యం తరఫు నుంచి, మా స్టార్ తరఫు నుంచి అందరితో కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతున్నాం. అంతేకాదు మరియు నామినేట్ అయినందుకు మా ఎస్పీ సార్ ఇక్కడ పిలిచి వీరిని అభినందించడం అనేది మా తాండూరు అక్షర స్కూల్కి ఒక గర్వకారణంగా చెబుతాం.
It is a very glad moment for our institution Akshara Concept School Tandur. So we are feeling proud also. As everyone knows, our mobile microscope, which was invented by our three students and guided by our science faculty Srikant sir and Ravi Kumar sir. So this my mobile microscope got first place in the state level, and it is nominated for the national level, and we are very much glad that SP sir is appreciated our school and our students and even management and the guide teachers, and I hope they will do best, even they will got top in the national level also. Thank you very much.